So have any of you driven out here to Waimea? No. So the road is on this left ridge line, correction, right ridge line. It's going to be on the left here in a minute. But it has a whole bunch of overlooks and stuff along those lines where you can come see the state park from there. There's even a restaurant up here if you want to make an afternoon of it or something along those lines.
What's the name of the restaurant?
So it's not sure what it's actual. I think it's but it's part of Kauai. It's a parking lot with a building and.
It's Cookies Lounge, I believe.
Yeah, there you go. I was like, it's Kauai something, but I couldn't remember exactly what it was. So. Julie, you need to come fly with me more often. You can pick up where my mind takes off there. Alright, so we're going to head out this way for a few minutes to get to the Napale. Anybody's first time to Kauai? Yeah? Well, everybody's alright. What do you think? It's just like home, yeah? So.
This is fantastic.
Just put 99 right through the middle of it. It'll be just a... Maybe a dairy or two. We do have a lot of cows on the island, but nothing like that.
You have a lot of roosters.
That is a true statement.
They're everywhere.
Yep. That was just actually in your neck of the woods about a month ago. So my grandmother's in Madeira, so we go out and see her as much as we can. So.
When you go there, do you fly into Fresno or do you fly into San Francisco?
It really depends on availability. So my mom lives in Pleasanton, just outside of Oakland. So I'll either fly into San Francisco, San Jose, Oakland, or into Fresno, and it just kind of depends on rates and availability. Alright everybody, here we go. Welcome to the Napale.
I thought those white things were boats down there, but they're not, are they? What are they?
Yeah, they're boats. Now this is the Nuololo Valley. This valley is historically significant since this is where they found the oldest human remains in all of Hawaii, date back to about 1000 AD. Now Hawaiian history is very young in the grand scheme of human history, but the very first inhabitants of Hawaii were right here on the Napale, and it is believed that this valley is the location of the very first Hawaiian village. So on the right, if you look down towards the beach, you can see light coming through an arch down there. That is the Honopu Sea Arch. That is the largest arch in the state of Hawaii. And then that beach is a sacred beach. The only legal way to access the beach is to swim in. Here you go, stepping down here is the arch for you, brother. Now the reason why the beach is sacred is this valley. This is the Honopu Valley, or the Valley of the Kings. This is where Hawaiian kings were buried from all the islands, not just from Kauai. But the Hawaiians believed that the power of a person resided in their bones after they passed away, and they believed that somebody got a hold of the king's bones, that they could use his power against them. So they didn't want that to happen, so the very best warrior would rappel off the top of these cliffs and hide the king somewhere in the rocks. Once he laid the king to rest, he would cut his rope and fall to his death, so he could not reveal where that king was located. And one of the few times in history it paid to be the number 2 warrior, yeah? So. So here on the right we have a whole bunch of really jagged rocks. These are called the cathedrals. Now down below us on the left right here, we've got the Kauai Beach. If you want a great way to spend an afternoon, you can hike out to this beach. It's only 11.7 miles, one way. So, what you're gonna do tomorrow afternoon, right, Rob? So. We got the Kauai Valley here on the right, largest valley on the Nepali. This was home to about 5,000 Hawaiians in its heyday. Now we're going to head up towards the northern tip of the Nepali here.